Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the font styles. You already are familiar with the first two. So when we would like to have something bold in the text or italic, we know that to use text BF and then text IT. And if we would like to have monospace like typewriter text, we can have text TT. And then we would like to have small caps text, we can have text SC. So let me compile again here. Okay, so we see that the bold text is exactly working as we are wishing. So we have the italic here, and we have the typewriter, and we have the small caps text here. For example, if we would like to have something like this is the ad hoc stubs that we are talking about when you have a specific word, technical word in your text, and you would like to make it italic for the reader so you know that the reader would know that you are using the word for the first time and probably you're going to define it. You can have the text it here, and so this part is now italic, then you can start defining the italic part. Or if you would like to emphasize on something, you can make it bold. Or if you have like different scenarios to discuss, for example, there are two main scenarios that we are going to consider. The first one, we which we call, for example, S1, and this S1 is usually better shown when you're having it in here, is going to consider, for example, is going to be using probability distribution. Okay, let me just compile. This is just an example. So when you have your scenario in this type, like S1 is text TT, you see that it's different. And usually for scenarios, for example, naming, we use this one. It's more known to be shown this way. And also for specific cases, for example, if there is a specific format for a journal or a conference where you need to have your names, you can have a text SC. So the first letters are larger than the others, but all the letters are in capital. So you can simply use text ST to have your PDF compiled in this style. Thank you for watching.